Now we will learn one more application of the if else if these conditions. For example, I have one team, okay, list of team. Can we apply only on things like numbers? No, we can do it in a text also. We can play with the text also. Like I have a team like myself, like my other fellow, like I have three members in a team as of now. I just executed that team, shift enter. Then I just want to check that one member I would like to check is a part of the team or not. Like Ramesh is a part of the team or not. I don't know about a team. Okay, just I wanted to check that one. I've just shown here simple example. Okay, if I just check Ramesh in team. Okay, this is a team list we have. If Ramesh is in a team, then I need to print yes, he is a. Even I can change here, like formatting I can show you here. Instead of saying yes, he is a part, okay, we can say Ramesh is a part also. Okay, he is a part of team. Okay, he is a part of team. I can check. Then in case he is not a part of team, then what we need to do? Else I need to add him. How to add to the team? We know how this appending work. Team dot append Ramesh. Right? Append Ramesh. Now if you execute, it is executed. Now you can check the new team will be formed because it's not showing any error means yes, we have been added him to team, right? Even we can have one this one also, like here statement also we can print. Okay, we have added a, like here again we can say print, we added Ramesh to team. Okay, like this way also we can say now he is already part of the team because we already added, right? Because of that, like newly if I say we added a Ramesh to team means the second statement has executed. Similarly, I can check, like I just want to check if Ram is not in a team, then I can write like this also. If Ram not in, even in the opposite, right? Not in a team, then what to be done? We need to add, right? Like I can say team dot append the Ram. Okay, if he is not in a team, and we can print there itself like we added Ram, right? Else I can say, else I can say print is a part of team. Like this we can see he is already part of the team. Like instead of writing like Ram here, can I feed some variable? I will give the variable and I will check that that particular person is not there or not. Yes, we can do that. For example, a new person I would like to check, I may be having some name here, right? Like Bishal I say. Okay, then what I can do, I can have like Bishal here separately. I will have just executed. Now I will take this entire code. Okay, I just take entire code. Instead of saying that every time name is given, what I can do, I can say new. Okay, this variable name I will check. Is it in there? If it is not there, then I say new. Okay, to be appended that particular fellow, that is a variable name. Okay, new. Then we added that person name we have to say now. Here I will not mention Ram, right? I need to mention a new, but we can't say new like this. What we need to do, we need to open one flower bracket, what to be inserted there. Then we have to say dot format, what to be inserted in here, new to be inserted, right? instead of saying here he, I can say, um, I just give one flower bracket, that is nothing but Vishal already already a part of team. I can say like this. And here, what to be entered in this flower bracket dot format, I just say new, right? Now if I execute, you can see we added Vishal because he was not in a part of the team, so it checked and he has added. For example, once again if I try to execute this, now it says that Vishal already a part of team because it's already added. So once again when you try executing like this, we can add a new members like this, right? Like Raju, like this. Okay, see, we added a Raju. Like now team will be, see, all of them will be added. Like this means we can use even not only the for the numbers we can use it. Okay, we can search by using any names. Okay, we can create some variable and we can check by using a variables also. We can check is it there or not like this, and we can format it with the one more thing we learned, the formatting, right? We can add as many as here flower brackets and as many as variables we can add it in a format. We can show you that one also how this format will work separately in next session.